Process of organizing. Organization as a process is termed as organizing. The various steps involved in the process of organizing are as follows. Identifying organizational objectives. The first step involved in the process of organization is determining the objectives of the organization. The objectives formulated for the organization should be communicated to the organizational employees so that the employees can strive towards the achievement of those objectives. Determining the total work. The main purpose behind organizing is to attain the organizational objectives. Determining the total work which is required to be undertaken for achieving these objectives is very essential. Determination and division of work among the employees gives adequate time to the top level management to focus on other superior activities and helps in preventing duplication of work. Grouping the work. Initially, activities are grouped in function wise like sales, production, accounts, personnel, etc. Then activities of main functions are further grouped into separate sub-functions. Developing formal relationships. After grouping the work, the next step is to develop formal relationships. It provides information to the employees regarding the activities which have to be undertaken by them, how to perform the assigned tasks, to whom they have to report the work, the relationships existing between the jobs and so on. It also provides a framework for the assignment of duties, responsibilities to the employees of the organization. Delegation of authority. In case of absence of authority, a manager cannot accomplish the tasks with self-assurance and cannot attain the predetermined results. The manager has to clearly outline the authority and responsibility limits to the subordinates at the time of assigning the duties, as this helps the subordinates in knowing the work expectations of superiors from him in advance. Providing resources and other facilities to accomplish the work of the individual in a proper and efficient manner. Adequate facilities like office furniture, equipment, etc. should be provided. Setting the communication system. At the time of performing the functions, a free flow of communication is required among the managers or between the managers and their superiors or between the managers and their subordinates. Thus, developing an efficient communication system is very much essential for ensuring free flow of communication. Coordination and control. It is very essential to define the intercommunication between the different positions of the organization. The activities undertaken by the employees must be properly coordinated. The performance evaluation of employees should be done at subsequent intervals and corrective measures should be taken to overcome the deviations. Thank you.